If you'd like to have a clean cooking space again, Pyrolytic self-cleaning offers the simplest solution. High temperatures turn the soiling into ash, and afterwards you can simply remove the residue with a damp cloth. However, some preparation is required before starting the self-cleaning program. First, remove the accessories from the cooking space. You can pivot the shelf guides towards the center of the cooking space and then pull them towards the back out of the opening. Then wipe larger residues from the cooking space. Do not use any chemical cleaning agents, these may damage the coating. We also recommend that you switch on the range hood or open a kitchen window while the cleaning is in progress. You can clean the shelf guides either by hand or in the dishwasher. Pull up the Pyrolytic self-cleaning app and select the degree of soiling. The appliance calculates the duration of the cleaning process and shows you the end time on the display. You can also set it to start at a later time, for example to use a low electricity tariff. To activate the process, press Start. You can also cancel the process at any time by pressing Stop. For your safety, the appliance door remains locked until the temperature has fallen below 300 degrees Celsius. The door is unlocked once the temperature falls below 300 degrees Celsius. But wait until the appliance has cooled down to hand temperature. You can then gently remove the residue with a soft, damp cloth. Do not use any cleaning agents. After cleaning, you can reinstall the shelf guides. To do so, first put the rear ends into the opening, then the front ends. And now you have a spotless oven again.